Hi everyone! Today we will bake blueberry canopy.
No, Cobbler.
I'm sorry. We need blueberries, eggs, cinnamon, baking powder, flour, butter, and butter. 2 boxes of butter are small, and lemon, and milk, and sugar. Okay, let's start. Okay.
Let's start. So I already helped them blister the pan with the butter and the sugar. And we will put it aside. And now we will mix the flours, okay? We will need
Cinnamon.
the 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Thank you, Sophie. Thank you. And we will need 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon.
No, I
and a
am
half. Okay, you get a 1/2 teaspoon. And Sophie will get 1 teaspoon, okay?
我要做在我的bowl里。
No, yours is for other things. 1, thank you. And now, this is 1/2 teaspoon. No, you only get 1/2. You need to get another 1/2. Oh, okay, thank you.
Got a little more.
A little bit more, it's okay. Thank you, girls. And then we will need the 2 cups of flour. 2 cups. This is the 1/2 cup. So we will need 4 1/2 cups. Okay. Thank you, Fiona and Sophie. That's the 2 cups of flour.
And then eggs.
No, not yet. Then we will need to put the lemon zest.
I could do it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Mom, will next time.
You will mix it later. So this side?
What's wrong?
Okay, you will do it. Watch out your finger, okay?
There. That's enough.
That's enough? Okay, thank you, Fiona. Okay. We get 1 teaspoon.
Now mix time. Eggs.
Did you put cinnamon yet?
Yes.
Yes. Baking powder?
Yes.
Flour?
Yes.
Lemon zest?
Yes.
Okay, then we can put sugar then.
Ready? Pour it.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, this is 1 cup of
Mama, together.
together. Yeah, good
Is
girls.
it mix time?
Yeah, we need the milk.
Oh. Here. We need
How many?
A whole cup.
We need 1.5 cup. Here is 1 cup. Let's make 1 cup first. Oh, yes, good job. Let's see if it's 1 cup. Is it this 1 cup? Okay, good. Can you pour this, Fiona and Sophie? Okay, Sophie will do it. Then you need another 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup of milk. 1/2 cup. Where is half? Look, let's see it first. Where is the half?
Here.
Okay, good. That's a 1/2 cup. Good job, Fiona. You did very well. Put it back to the fridge.
Next time again.
Not yet. We didn't put the eggs yet.
Oh, sorry.
Let's put the
Eggs time.
Be careful. Be careful.
Okay. I want one.
No, you will help me mix it
I'm to mix it.
after your sister. Thank you, Sophie. 1,
Inside. Crap.
2. What? It's okay. It's okay.
3. One more. Keep on
One
going,
more.
mommy. Yay.
3 eggs. Good job.
You can hold on to it. It's very hard to mix when you don't
Yes,
put it on.
good job, Fiona and Sophie. Helping each other.
Can't do
It's getting
it.
a little bit hard, right? And we still didn't put the butter yet, but mommy will make the butter soft first. Okay. Will you help me make the butter out? Okay, we need the 1 stick, so we put 2. Half and half. Half plus half is
2.
no 1. Half plus half is 1. It's all done. So look, it's very smooth now. There's no flour, there's no eggs, there's no milk, but there is a mixture liquid. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Fiona.
Mom, together.
Together, yes. Thank you, girls. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Yummy.
Yes, I know it's more. Here.
I'm ready to mix.
Oh, not yet, Fiona. I will do it. Thank you. It's very heavy, Fiona.
No.
Okay, it's all done. Then we will, after I mix it more, a little bit more, we will put it into the pan. But before that, someone need to help me put the blueberry into the pan first.
Me.
Who will
Me.
do that person?
Take off.
Okay, thank you. 4. No. Can you do one by one? Because there's some water here. I just washed it. Now, girls, we'll pour this mixed liquid into the pan. Okay?
Right.
Now what? Now what?
I think it's time to put it in the oven.
Okay, let's put it into the
No, I
oven.
want to.
See you later, everybody.
See you later, everybody.